Hi, my name is Maria M. Lopez, and I'm a certified public accountant, and I'm also a speaker. So when I'm at a speaking engagement, oftentimes members of the audience ask me the following question. Maria, how do we create wealth in this country? Maria, what should I invest my money in? Should I invest it in the stock market? Should I invest it in the real estate market? Should I own businesses? And my answer is, with all disclosure, I am a certified public accountant and I don't have the necessary licenses to provide advice. So when I'm in a speaking engagement, I'm not providing advice, but I'm actually educating. But I like to share with you what I share with my audience. For example, how do we create wealth in the United States of America? The one way that I've learned in my years living in this country is by having multiple sources of income. And what do I mean by that? The first source of income will be what? Our salary, our paycheck, correct? Then we move to the second step, and it will be maybe I own my own business, which is what I do today. I have my own company. My company is called Galant. So I am my own owner, and I hire staff and employees to work with me in my business, serving my clients. But what happens with model number two? Model number two requires for me, Maria, to be there 24 hours, 7 days a week, most likely, so that I can serve you, my clients, the best way possible. So what do we do now? It's a catch-22. So what do we do now? Investments. What about investments? If I have run a profitable business, if I save from my salary, which we should all be saving in 10%, 50% of our salary, we can invest that money. I cannot tell you how to invest your money. That is your own choices. You can consult with a financial advisor. There's so many financial advisors. There's so many resources available out there on the internet, on books, on periodicals. I caution you, I invite you to ask questions, to educate yourself so that you can know how to invest better. And it also has to do with your tolerance level. Some people like to take more risk, less moderate, more moderate. It all depends on the personality. The fourth method is having multiple sources of income. What do I mean by that? Having the salary, owning the business, having the investments, and one more is to own a business that actually runs by itself. Can we think of a business that runs by itself? For example, how about franchises? If you purchase a franchise, I'm not saying that you should go out there and purchase a franchise, but if you were to purchase a franchise, let's say any franchise out there, it's a common business that's already a proven concept. So that the profitability of that is probably very likely. So what does that happen? It means that that business can run by itself. You have the branding, you have the location, you have the process, you have the employees that are trained because it's already a franchise, it's a proven concept, and it runs by itself. But you need a manager. And you need managers that you can trust so that your business can be profitable. There's so many ways to create wealth. Another way to create wealth is something that I must say, my mother tells me all the time. Lower your expenses. Minimize your expenses. Yes, we want to create income, but at the same time, we want to lower our expenses. Maria Lopez, I'm the founder of Galant.